I'm LaTyshua here with your realty group, and I'm here with Breon, the Section 8 queen. As we can see, I have taken her course. We have 2 more courses left, I believe.
Yes, we do.
But I've taken that first course, and that first course was phenomenal. So, if you're looking to buy Section 8, talk to the queen. What else do we have coming up, Bree?
We have 2 more courses that are coming up. I highly advise you to get on board to learn the actual importance and the steps of the process of how this actually goes for you to be a successful realtor to help our housing.
Thank you, Bree.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.